Recently completed my BTech in computer science with specialization in cybersecurity and threat intelligence from Manav Rachna University. I recently got placed in Coforge Limited.
My name is Harsh and I have graduated from Computer Science Engineering at Manav Rachna University. I'd like to thank the Career Development Cell. Due to its extensive training and constant support, I've been able to crack an opportunity at Coforge Limited, where I'm currently placed as a graduate engineering trainee.
I would also like to especially thank the CDC department of the university, wherein we got personalized support in terms of our placement.
I'd like to thank the university for providing me with opportunities to extend my vision with RCC and to explore my extracurricular side.
Apart from this, university always motivated me to follow my passion in music, wherein I became the head of university's music society for 3 consecutive years.
To explore my extracurricular side with Moksha Society, the music society of the university.
My journey at Manav Rachna University has been amazing. I'm excited to start my new journey at Coforge Limited.